let's make a gnome candy jar for Valentine's Day. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I start with some socks from Dollar Tree. I know it sounds crazy, and I have this jar I had. I think it was from Hot Fudge or something, and we're going to take off the lid. Now I do have some faux fur. This was faux fur ribbon that I had bought, I think at Hobby Lobby. And I cut a piece. It's about 2 inches by 4 inches. Then we're just going to glue a strip onto our lid. I almost said our lid. And then I'm just going to continue to just glue on that faux fur. Now I'm going to take a little bit of stuffing, not a lot, just a little bit, and put it into the sock. Now we're going to add some more glue to the lid, and we're going to stretch that sock, and we're going to put the sock over that. Does that make sense? I'm sorry, the view is not great, but here you go. Now you can see it better. See? Now I'm encouraging you, hold it there. Just wait. Because if you don't, it's going to flop off and then it's going to be a mess and it's going to be irritating. So make sure you push down your faux fur so it doesn't get caught up in the next layer. But we're going to just glue our sock onto our lid all the way around. Easy peasy. Look at how cute this is. I can't even stand it already. I did make sure to pull down the sock just to make sure that it's, over the lid. Then we take a comb and I'm just parting the faux fur because we're going to take a little wood bead, little glue, and put a little wood bead in the center of our little part. And look at, stop it. Quit it right now. So funny. All right. Calm down, Colette. It's okay. Then I'm going to add some more glue onto this sock because I don't want to cut it. I want it to be kind of a long hat. So see how I kind of folded it so that that heel part is covered? And then I'm just going to figure out where I want it when I fold it again. And I'm going to glue it there. Ta-da! Perfect. Awesome. And then I am going to cut the excess, that toe part. I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to cut strips. You don't have to do this part, but I think it looks super cute, especially this sock. I don't know why, but when I cut these strips, they curled. And let me just tell you, I am not mad. It was super. Look at it curled. So cute. So I cut it all the way around, and then I added I just knotted some ribbon. That's all I did. You could even use jute, but you can kind of fluff it around however you want. I probably would have glued the stuffing to the lid before I put the hat on, just because it can be chunky and kind of segmented, but it's okay. So then, look at it. It fits on the jar. It's perfect, but look, we're going to put candy in it. Of course, we're going to put candy in it. Hello. So I have some chocolate kisses, but you could put any kind of candy. M&Ms. Would this not be a super cute gift? Quit it. Oh my gosh. Listen, I thought my husband was just obsessed with Christmas, but I made this, and I think he's obsessed with all holidays. So I gave it to him. Funnier still, my husband has like a big old mountain man beard. That's perfect. Anyways, I digress. Look at how cute. Stop. I do like it a lot. I do like it a lot. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.